No test run, no practice, just hot oil and Clinton Kelly.
Let's wrestle.
Pull up a chair and get ready for a good time with Michael Symon, Carla Hall, and Clinton Kelly. Let's get into it.
Oh, sorry.
This
No,
could go incredibly right or very wrong. Now, if you know Clinton, this is very exciting right now because he hasn't practiced, he hasn't tested, he's never made this dish before. It is gonna happen for the very first time here on Chewed Up. How are you feeling, CK?
I'm very nervous, but because we've set it up that this is a real, like, kind of a first for me. I don't think I've ever made anything on TV that I haven't tried at home before.
Yeah.
You're a tester.
I'm a tester. I'm a tester. I have not tested this at all. We're talking about fair foods, and I thought corn dogs, I think corn dogs might be one of the best fair foods. I remember my first corn dog ever. I was like 10 years old. I was at, it was an amusement park in California, not Magic Mountain, but America, Great America.
Oh, okay.
Is that it? Is that Great America?
Quit waving your wiener around.
You don't have to tell me twice. Anyway, I love corn dogs. They're like a guilty treat. I've never made one.
I love a corn dog.
I looked online. What? Aren't they delicious?
They are delicious.
Delicious.
Cornbread and hot dogs, please.
So this recipe is from Natasha's Kitchen. You've probably seen her online. She does a lot of great recipes. It's highly rated. So I was like, let's try Natasha's corn dog recipe on Chewed Up, and we'll link to her recipe. But Natasha, I think you do a great job, and I'm a big fan. All right, so this is 1.5 cups of fine cornmeal, 1.25 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 3/4 cups of buttermilk, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of oil, and 1 tablespoon of honey.
That's a nice thick
Yes, it's a nice thick batter.
stick.
All right, so we're just gonna dip our hot dogs in there. We give them a twirl, evidently, so that they're twirling, so that we coat the whole thing.
You know what else too? Like, when you find a great corn dog batter, you could it's great with shrimp, it's great with lobster, it's great. Like, you could do all kinds of fun stuff.
First of all, that adhered beautifully. And then the drop, we're going into 350 degree oil. Now this is a lot of oil. I don't fry at home.
Yeah,
I don't really fry at home ever. So the idea is that you put the tip in and just the tip and give it a little turn, and that firms things up a little bit. So we're going in on a slant.
What's happening right now? For people that are listening, Clinton's making corn dogs.
We're twirling, and then we're dropping. Because if you drop it in just immediately, the batter's gonna get all squished on the bottom of the pot.
Oh, got it. So you're letting the top set up a little bit.
Yeah, exactly.
And then letting it fly.
And then we top and drop. There we go.
Top and drop.
The old
Doing the
top and drop.
spin. I like this twirling action.
Yes.
Look at that, that's fun. Okay.
So you don't need to cover your wiener the whole way?
Well, it's not the 80s anymore, I'm just kidding. All right, twirling.
I swear, I walk into them every time.
Every time. All right, let's do another one. And then they start to float.
Beautiful, but also you're getting that lift. That tablespoon of baking powder is really working, because you think it's not that much batter on the hot dog.
You know what the other thing I know, like we used to, at Lola, we used to make a lobster sausage, a lobster hot dog, and do corn dogs with the lobster hot dogs. And you know, at first, like, when we were making the batter, I'm like, don't put sugar in it. We don't want sugar in it. But corn dog batter needs a little bit of sugar for the correct caramelization, like for all the stuff to happen right. It's just better.
Yeah, this is beautiful.
Right?
And also, they turn naturally. They rolled over. They're like, oh, my other side needs to be cooked. And it rolled over like on command.
Oh, wow. Guys, this, I think we're gonna have some awesome corn dogs.
Natalie!
Natasha.
Oh, Natasha!
Welcome to Carla's world.
You said it with such conviction. I was like, for a second, I was like, maybe it is Natalie.
Her husband, Matthew, thought his name was Mark for 4 years.
This is what we call, sorry, Natasha, this is what we call the law loud and wrong.
Loud and wrong. All right, guys. This is
great.
I think this is gonna absolutely work.
On the oils?
Yeah.
Are we still
I'm just
pretty-
gonna turn them around so they're facing in opposite directions.
Yeah, in the middle. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Okay, so and Carla, what is your favorite thing to eat at a fair?
I mean, first off, when I walk in, I want a funnel cake.
Funnel cake.
Yes.
Yeah. I mean, it's one of the things that I absolutely want to have. What about you, CK?
You know what? I don't go to a lot of fairs. I'll be honest with you.
Just pretend. Like
Pretend.
if you
I-
went
Did
back
you
in
go
the
as a
day-
kid at all? Like in Cleveland, we had the Berea Fairgrounds. Like it was a big fair every year that everybody
Yeah,
went to.
the carnival would come to town. So
Yeah.
I had a bad Zeppeli experience once. So
So it's informed your whole
I
experience.
was like, oh, I want Zeppelis. I want Zeppelis. So I got a bag of Zeppelis, which are just basically fried dough balls.
Did you go on the Wildcat or something afterwards?
I went on the zipper. Zipper, which you go up and you spin upside down. I got off of that thing. I just puked in the bushes for like a half hour, and it was like I can't eat and ride things. So, but I love an amusement park. I have never been to the Ohio. What's that one
Oh,
called?
Cedar Point.
Cedar Point.
It's
I gotta
literally the
get my ass to
greatest. Are you a roller coaster person?
I love.
It's the
roller
greatest
coasters.
roller coaster park in the world.
I know. I've heard. I gotta get there.
Like it's insanity. I haven't been in a long time. Let's wait, because I haven't been in a while.
Let's go.
Let's do
Joe, Tim-
a Cedar Point trip.
I would love that. I don't think I can do roller coasters as much anymore. I think the older I get, I can't keep going. You remember how you would
Right.
go like, let's do it again?
But you know what? I think too. There's very smooth ones now.
Oh,
yeah.
And there's like some of the ones that we grew up on, and the ones that I still love are the wooden coasters, which
Yeah.
shake you.
Yeah.
But like the other coasters now, they're so smooth. They're just built. It's speed and
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
Did I ever tell you about? I got whiplash on the Coney Island cyclone, and it was no fun. Let me tell you, this was
Were you
like
in the back?
it was in the back.
Yeah.
I was like, let's ride the front, let's ride the middle, and then let's ride the back. Right. So ride the front. It's awesome. It's
Yeah.
scary as hell. Basically, on the Coney Island cyclone, you go up on
Yeah.
this old rickety chain, and you go down, and then you go up again, and then you take a hard ass left turn. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I was in the back. And I forgot to tell my head to take the left turn. It took a right, my body took a left, and I was like, ah! For like a week, I couldn't lift my head off of the pillow. I had to pull myself up out of bed, grabbing my own hair. Like I would have to lift my head up with my hair.
I
You
mean,
know,
I
it's
really
because
need
it's
to
because
have-
you two are long neck people.
Yeah,
you,
long neck
you
people.
both have unusual. You know, I get in there, Clint, and I just do this.
You gotta have a Michael Symon muscle neck. I mean, it's,
Proper.
like, it's tall.
I have a proper roller coaster neck.
You totally do.
I mean, literally, like, but
Proper neck. Why do you keep doing
Let's
that?
measure each other's neck.
Carla's neck is as long as my head. Shoulders same height, and she's 3 inches taller
Yeah,
than
shoulder. Are you wearing flats, Carla? You're both wearing. You both have a little bit of a shoe with the heel. Go back to back.
But when we were
We
both
did
in
this the other
flats
day.
yesterday.
Look at
this.
I love
Look
it.
at this.
Shoulders same.
Shoulders same, head, literally. Not even counting Carla's hair, but
No, it's because her. Look
she's got
her-
like 6 neck inches on.
Yeah, her neck's this long.
Yeah.
And yours is like this.
I have a wrestler neck. I was a wrestler.
A wrestler neck.
This
These are
looks
looking
so-
so
they
good.
look
This is
amazing.
so proud. Natasha,
Oh, you give her a golf clap.
golf clap.
Oh, you have some in the back.
I have a
wanna-
swap. But I mean,
know
should
we should have those two, but I
know
love
what?
corn dogs, so I'm going to do both. I'm going to have a swap and a regular.
Yeah.
Okay, well these are going to be like really hot when they come out of the oil.
And then you'll burn yourself. And
Exactly.
you'll be like, why are these hot?
Just what you want to do
Oh,
is
these
make
are still
sure that
warm.
this is at 350 degrees. This looks a little low, so I'm going to turn this up.
I turned it up before.
Oh, you did?
because I
Yeah.
thought it
So
was dropping on
keeping
us.
the constant temperature is important, obviously, when frying, but because if you go too low, then your food absorbs too much oil. And if you go too hot, it gets burnt before the inside is cooked. So just maintain the 350.
Love it.
Oh, beautiful. All right, let's go. Are they a little warm yet? Mm-hmm. Yeah, good. Now, your mustard, what did you put on top?
I just wanted to try this
That stuff.
This is
Jardiniere mayo.
yeah, Jardineo.
I'm going to go with the classic golden brown. Oh, I'll get my own plate.
I was like,
I'm a corn dog dragger.
yeah.
Yeah,
me
I like
too.
to drag my corn dog.
I did honey mustard, but I don't really like honey mustard.
All right, Natasha, let's give him a taste.
Why is honey mustard only? I only like it on chicken. Isn't that weird? Is that weird?
No, it's just like the. Yeah, I get that.
Fantastic. Perfect corn dog. Perfect corn dog.
The batter's perfect because it's like airy, what does have
Yeah.
some, a little, not densely, but it's really nice. It doesn't overpower what's inside.
Yeah.
It's not too sweet.
Right.
It has really good corn flavor to it. It's like I could eat this batter. If you made fritters with this batter,
we could.
100%.
We could totally.
You know?
The ratio is right.
The ratio cornbread to hot dog is fantastic.
Wow.
Oh.
Perfect.
Hey, real quick,
We'll make this fast. We promise.
if you're watching us on YouTube, hit that like button right now. Don't wait.
And subscribe. It's free. It costs you nothing. $0.
If you're on Spotify, follow the show. Apple Podcasts, follow. Anywhere you listen, follow.
We are the Chewed Up Show, part of All Chewed Up channel.
And we are everywhere. So if you found us,
Subscribe. Tell your friends and family. It's free. There's no excuse.
Like, subscribe, follow.
do it.
You may have noticed some of the boards and plates we're using. Those are all from Frontgate, including some from my very own collection.
They've got everything from outdoor furniture to decor to entertaining essentials, all made with quality, comfort, and style in mind.
And since most of it is designed in-house, you can't find their pieces anywhere else.
Frontgate, thanks for making our spread look so good.
For more information, go to frontgate.com. So we're like, I don't know, these have been cooking for about like 7 minutes, 7 or 8 minutes. They're getting done. Want to do let's pick the fan of the day.
Come on.
You are the fan of the day.
What are the lyrics to that? You are the... You are the fan of the day?
You.
It's got a lot of depth, that song. that's like a, you know, that's like an 80s boy band,
Yeah.
you know.
All right.
So you want to explain it, Carla?
No, you do it.
Okay, so we are going to start doing these fun fan of the days. Like sometimes we give away prizes, but this is just like a personal message from us to you. So we're going to pick a name, and then we are going to make a video.
Woo!
And oh
Master.
boy,
Yeah, I knew something was going to go wrong.
we have the loose.
That's all right.
You just kept playing with it. You
Send me the
only
bill,
shake
Tom.
it once. You shake it more than once. You're playing with it, Clinton.
All right.
So we're gonna send you a personal video and just tell you how much we adore you. And you could post it, show it to your friends, do whatever you want with it. It's gonna be big fun. Big fun.
Or you can instantly delete it. It's up to you. Yeah.
Who is it, Carla?
All right. And the fan of the day is Charlene from New York.
Charlene from New York.
Yay.
All right, Charlene from New York. The three of us will we're not gonna make it now, but we're gonna make you a video. We're gonna send it directly to your email. You're gonna love it. And that's it. Clinton?
Wow.
Corn dog success.
Corn dog
Wow,
success.
truly.
So I feel that for those of you at home, we talked about it earlier, but Clinton is he's a perfectionist. So he likes to make sure that everything is spot on before he shows America how to do it. And I know, even though you weren't showing it, you were a little sweaty.
I did. That's probably why I dropped that corn dog at the end. I was nervous.
You got nervous.
I was nervous.
Yep.
No reason to be nervous because this was a success. It was
Yeah,
amazing.
these are great.
Did I really ruin your blouse?
No.
Oh, good.
My quick switch is working.
I don't know. What do you want to do? Nick's like, oh my God, we got still 3 minutes
Oh,
left.
fan of the day. I mean, not fan of the day, fan of the day. Oh my God, I know.
Fan mail.
You got fan mail. Look out, it's fan mail.
Fan mail. Okay. Huh?
Just
All right, Nick. So bossy back there. I can see the clock. All right, fan mail. We're each gonna answer this.
Okay,
so it's
great.
gonna be one with 3 answers. What is your favorite song or band to listen to when you are cooking? I love the show from Felicia.
Wow.
I listened to Judy Garland live at Carnegie Hall. Mm-hmm. You're gonna love me like nobody's loved me.
Oh.
Okay, that's come rain or come shine.
Interestingly enough, I don't think about. I usually listen to a book, an audio book while I'm cooking.
Listen to an audio book while you're cooking?
I do. True story. I was gonna make up something, but that is the true story.
Okay, I got two answers because Carla listened to an audio. When I'm in the restaurant, when I'm working in the restaurant prepping and we're going, it's Metallica because I'm going.
Metallica.
Oh, yeah.
What do they sing?
Oh, my God, I hate you so much.
I honestly don't know. I know. Is there a famous Metallica song?
There's tons of them.
Give me, what's their most famous?
I don't sing.
What? No, just tell me the title.
Enter Sandman.
Enter Sandman? Never heard
Go
of it.
ahead, give us a piece of it. We know you don't sing.
No, nothing.
Doesn't ring a
And
single
then the
bell.
other one is like when I'm at home cooking. I think the band that I love listening to, whether I'm traveling or just cooking or chilling, because I just could listen to it, is REM. Like I can listen to REM like 24/7 all the time. It's great, like chill music for me.
The best. Yeah.
So when I'm in Metallica, which we're gonna listen to as soon as we're done here.
I don't wanna.
I don't care.
I don't-
I have to
I don't
listen to
wanna
all
do
the
it.
shit that you listen to all
If
the
I got
time.
through the 80s without listening to him once, I'll get through the 2026.
Damon loves Metallica.
Yeah, he probably does. I don't let him play it around the house. He's got to listen to it at the
Sleep
gym.
with one eye open.
No idea.
Kill me now. All right, you guys, it has been a pleasure. We love you all, and have a fabulous day, everybody.
Thanks for tuning in to Chewed Up, and thanks to our sponsors Fresh Direct and Frontgate for making this show possible. New episodes drop every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. To subscribe, snag recipes, and dig into all the extra fun, head to allchewedup.com or just click subscribe to Chewed Up Show on YouTube and wherever you get your podcasts. Now go and make a mess in your own kitchen.